everybody, it's CJ. Welcome to Esprit de Pour. I'm doing a Pearl Cell pour today, and I'm starting off by preparing my canvas with some, this is house paint out of the can. It doesn't have water or anything. It's thick. It's actually sealing paint. If I had some white tube paint, I would be using that, but I'm out. So, this works just fine. If you want to know why I do this, look in the description box and I'll explain it. I've said it so many times, I'm probably not going to say it again. Okay. I'm going to next do my base coat. And all of these recipes and instructions, all of that are in video number 3. It's a mixture of Behr satin enamel, Artist Loft Glow acrylic, Liquitex pouring medium, water, and Floetrol. And be generous with your base coat. This will interact with your colors. You need to stretch your colors out just as much as possible, but not the base coat. There, I have a generous amount. Okay, I'm going to pour the canvas directly on, the colors directly on the canvas. This is Deep Violet by Golden. I also have mixed instructions for my colors in the same video. Okay, kind of messy. Kind of messy, but I bet it turns out pretty. Got a nice shadow going. It means my paint is mixed correctly. Stretching my paint out as far as I can. Getting a little reaction here. obviously you need a torch right here, and unfortunately I cannot get any of my 3 torches to ignite. I'm going to put you on time lapse. Obviously, I'm very pleased with that. You don't know how happy I am to finally be able to achieve this. It took me a long time. Please watch video number 3, and hopefully you will see that if I can do it, anybody can do it. See you next time.